Audio nerds. Loudest motherfuckers in DFW. Period. Ranger getting a makeover today.
Pot smoking. Shroom eating now, motherfucker. That's how it goes now.
That's how this guy is.
I'm only a figment of everyone's imagination.
They can only hear you, they can't really see you.
Like the gooch, sir. The gooch.
The gooch. I thought you said the gooch. I was like, racist fuck.
The gooch, sir. That's fucked up, man. Group eating nation needs to see this.
Yeah, out comes the beast.
Oh, well, one more. Got a straggler.
I have an idea. We need to put some of these guys on team audio nerd who are in different countries, sir.
Start get Team Audio Nerds Russia, Russia edition style started.
There's no one qualified here in the States, really.
I would have to say.
So walk down here at least.
Oh.
Thank you, sir.
Sexy bitch. That's how you make king of the streets.
Another one.
It's king of the streets, sir. King of the streets.
It is king of the streets, right? This is how you build a championship car. Fuck that pretty shit. I want fiberglass. Fuck that. Fuck that fiberglass shit. You got this right here, though.
Yeah, it doesn't overlap though.
Sure?
I see the problem is the bitch is stuck. That's gonna be the hard part to get out though because you can't get in there. Start on that. Did you get it?
Nope.
Well, you can watch it. Keep on going.
I was gonna ask why didn't we just break it before?
Well, I thought about it, but I was like, I don't want to make a huge mess, but I forgot this tent on it. But it's gonna make it kind of hard to get the rest of it out.
Sir. Yeah, that tent didn't work. Oh, that tent didn't work.
Didn't that pull some of the tin off?
It's still tent on there.
Oh yeah, there's one of the spots where there's no tent. There's no tent in the bottom part of it.
You want to just break it?
It doesn't even make a mess everywhere, but fuck it, makes a good video, right?
Yeah, fuck it. Have at it, sir.
Dick in your mouth.
Yeah.
I'm not getting hit by that shit. Are you fucking crazy? All right, hold on. I'm in the video, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
All up in the video.
Fuck. It's gonna be messy.
Well, most of them in the box. Which audio nerds call for. Okay. See, this is the part that's all stuck to the. Let me some gloves. The interesting.
Yeah, he did. All right, hold on, pause. I'm in the video?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
God damn. You got a big, it's like a chunk there, big. I think you should swing and just break that. Oh, wow. Is it gonna break?
Fucking glass down my shirt and shit. That shit gets everywhere.
This is what you always wanted, though.
Take the glass my ass. That's what I always wanted. I always wanted to back on this bitch.
Sorry. Sir,
What? I gotta separate the box from. Oh, yeah, the prop bar.
Hey, hold on. Man's tool. Let's take a look at this. Finally got the box out.
Well, we got it broke loose at least.
Well, yeah, broken loose at least.
Hey.
This is Josue, y'all. Oh, by the way, AKA Hector.
AKA the Happy Horrors.
And this right here is the infamous Brian O'Hara. That's what they call you.
I need a cigarette.
Yeah, he do need one, right? In your mouth.
Yeah, I need a cigarette, or else it wouldn't be right? Ouch. Alright. Here goes nothing. Yeah, this is gonna take a while.
Do we need you have a hard one, sir?
Fucking raging.
Why is that?
A raging hard one, because since I was a small child, 16 years old, got my truck, I wanted to cut the fucking back off of the bitch.
And it's shaking right now.
And now we get to do it.
Gonna do the final cut here.
Oh, shit. Yeah, other than trimming, this will be the last one. And then the back.
And it got him. But the back cut is now complete.
Yeah.
The first half of it is complete.
Yeah.
Just got to do the second half, but there it is. It's all out. There's that piece of wood we thought we lost.
Here's a goop container, lid, there's some glass down there, some fiberglass, razor blade. There's an 8mm in there somewhere. Here's the gas tank too.
One more cut to go.
Over there, sir. Nice.
Very nice.
Let's get this bitch out of here.
Keep that to try to
encourage customers to let me do this to their car.
exactly, sir.
No. In case I want to put it back.
Starting on the other cut here.
This video features Little Red. Wherever he's at.
This is done at T-Mart here. This is their top of the line installation here. See this right on top of the box, as if this amplifier does not have internal components to shake loose. I understand. And if you're gonna screw it down good. This is great. This is, check this out. This is some clean work. Some clean work right here.
Oh, sorry. Watch your hands.
Second part of the back cut is now complete.
So get the camper now and put the fucking camper on it, man. So get all this shit pulled out. Hey man, so you can scrape a battery. There she is.
Here she is, folks. Camper now complete. Cut now complete onto the camper. And that is the infamous Brian O'Hara.
I should keep mentioning. Alright, little late night work here at Audio Nerds. Flying solo tonight. But I got, as usual, I got my shiner on. I got my EDM on. And it's time to move all these. There you go, my friends. That right there is Car Audio Gold. And there are 6 of them sitting right here. Oh, lost the washer. Yes, sir. All ready to be moved in here into the cab. Still trying to figure out what I want to do with the rest of this. If I want to trim it out or if I'm going to keep going with my old rustic style, let's call it that. I don't know, let's check back in a minute. We'll interrupt this build to bring you Turkey Drag.